most debated feature was managing the users, which means switching user from super admin to a branch office or to a counselor. Now, I think it's a common problem that a lot of agencies that we are serving right now have one person who is the administrator, the owner of the business, is also the branch manager of that particular branch that he sits in. But also he loves to counsel. So sometimes he's also playing a role of a counselor. So he or she is also involved in some counseling activities wherein they are looking after some particular applicants. So it was quite unuser friendly to ask the user to log out and log in again and again at different user level to access the features. So what we have done is we have given this feature up here to the super admin, to the branch manager, and to processing office to be able to switch user the one below them. So for example, super admin can technically sort of switch into any user. The branch manager has counselors under them, or a processing office. Similarly, processing office can also sort of switch into a counselor. So this is quite user friendly, and it makes your life very easy. Let me just show you how you do it. So I've actually done it already. That's why I can see this button of switch user. Otherwise, I'm sure nobody can see this button on your dashboard. So until and unless you go into manage user and assign yourself as one of the users. So what you need to do is click on manage user. Now, if you are one of the branch offices, then select which of the branch offices are you. You can only be one branch office. Similarly, if you have multiple processing office and you are the one who are handling the processing office, and assign yourself that processing office. And if you are added as a counselor yourself, so I am Dishant and I am as a counselor as well added on the system, so I select myself as a counselor. So once you've done that, you just need to click on save. The system will update it, and now you can switch users. So I can switch from super admin to a counselor. It's very simple. Yeah, I can switch user, and it takes me to a switch user type. So hello, you logged in as Dishant as a counselor. I can switch it back to super admin if I logged in from super admin, and I can switch back to probably branch office, and you can see I'm logged in as a Mumbai branch office. So very simple now. I think it's going to make a life of a user who is using multiple level very easy. Okay, so this is how manage user work, which is one of the top features. One of the other important features in switching user is how to allow your processing office to switch user. So you are, as a super admin, can authorize that. So you have the first processing office, you call it Unity Pro. Which counselor can be accessed by Unity Pro can be selected by you. So for example, Unity Pro is Alex, and Alex handles the Unity processing office. So he wants to also access his counselor's account from the same login. Then you can allow that to Alex. And whenever Alex would log in as a processing office, we'll be able to switch back to the counselor rights or switch back to processing rights from the same user ID.